friends, supposing your financial advisor showed you a plan wherein you had to invest a small amount every day and you would reap high returns for lifelong. Does this offer sound lucrative to you? Will you grab this opportunity? We all are so aware of what we are investing, where we are investing, and how we are investing, and what are its returns. We are all money smart people. We will not invest where our money will not grow. Then why do we take our children for so granted? Planting the right values in them at the right time are going to reap fruits that are going to be cherished not only by them but for the future generations to come. We will be responsible for the future generations on this earth. Don't we want to give our 100% to this? Almost all the development in children happens in their formative years. At this tender age, they are like wet cement. Whatever impressions are made on them lasts forever. They are like this fertile soil. Whatever is planted in them grows abundantly. So, let us take this opportunity to effortless development for their formative years. Now, parents with older children may think that they have lost the opportunity. But that's not true. Change can happen at any time, any age. Only the mental patterns in them start becoming rigid. And as we grow older, we tend to have to work hard towards the change. As a philosopher rightly said, that once a child is born, it's a 20-year project if they do well. And if they do not do well, it's a lifelong project. The responsibility to bring children onto this earth requires a lot of involvement. Involvement here does not mean just dolling up our kids with fancy stuff and restrict their thinking. They are not our fancy toys that we flash as a status symbol. Please do not stimulate your own cravings for materialism onto them. They are here for a more meaningful life. They have a purpose to their lives. Please help them discover that. Another set of parents are heavily invested in their children's daily lives. They are rigidly monitoring all aspects of their children's life. They are continuously dictating to their children about their interests, what they have to do and what they do not have to do, and hover them relentlessly. These children are not allowed any alone time. The child may do academically very well and make their parents proud. But unfortunately, today IQ, that is the intelligent quotient, is outdated. Most of the big companies have foregone this traditional method of hiring. Big tech companies like Google are also relying more on emotional quotient as opposed to what grades did the person get or which school did they go. Emotional intelligence is self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. A person with high emotional quotient is very flexible, is very adaptable to the change, and is continuously learning from his mistakes. He has the ability to work well with the people and is very effective in leading a change. So, today, let's make our child emotionally healthy. Let them plant such seeds in them that will not only help them survive but thrive in the world. To achieve this, let us adopt a Japanese business philosophy called Kaizen, which means moving towards your goal by taking small achievable steps every day. As a parent, our goal towards our children is to always see them as happy children. And another point here, which the philosophy emphasizes, is being consistent. Repetition of the practices is going to create habits. Powerful habits will create a powerful personality, and powerful personality is thus going to lead to a powerful destiny. So today, let's reflect. What kind of destiny do we want to create for our children? Thank you.